Higgsfield is one of the fastest-growing Gen AI companies with a clear mission to become the most creator-friendly platform in the world. This week, they are preparing for the upcoming release of Seedance 2.0, and early signals across the internet already suggest something major is coming. From the information gathered so far, Seedance 2.0 appears to introduce multimodal input mixing, allowing creators to combine up to 12 different files at once, including images, videos, audio, and text. You could upload a character image, a dance reference video, background music, and a written prompt, and the model understands how everything should work together to produce a single cohesive result. Another expected upgrade is native audio-visual generation. Instead of adding sound after the video is created, the model generates audio and video together. Footsteps match movement, and ambient sound adapts naturally to the environment, all within one workflow. There are also reports of in-model editing. Rather than regenerating an entire clip, creators may be able to modify scenes using text prompts, such as swapping characters, changing backgrounds, extending clips, or combining multiple scenes. This could significantly reduce iteration time. Quality and speed are also improving, with 1080p output and generation speeds estimated to be about 30% faster than Seedance 1.5 Pro, while maintaining more professional textures, lighting, and color. Advanced motion synthesis is expected to support 5 to 12-second clips with smoother athletic movement, detailed gestures, and realistic choreography. Multi-shot storytelling is also anticipated, allowing sequences to flow naturally between scenes while maintaining continuity in lighting and character behavior. Finally, one of the most important rumored upgrades is character consistency. Facial details, outfits, and even small accessories are expected to remain consistent across multiple shots, allowing creators to design a character once and reuse it confidently throughout a project. Let's dive in. Right now, we are on the Higgsfield homepage, and you can see it is packed with a lot of powerful tools you can explore to create images, videos, and much more. In today's video, we are going to use the current Seedance model and then compare its results to the upcoming Seedance 2.0. Hover your mouse to Video on the top panel and select Seedance 1.5. To use Seedance 1.5, first of all, you have to upload your start frame image by clicking here. You can also upload your end frame, but it is optional, so I will leave that for now. Next, go ahead and write or paste your prompt in the prompt box. If the model is not on Seedance 1.5 Pro, click on it to select the model from this section. Click here to choose the duration you want, up to 12 seconds, then proceed to choose the aspect ratio and the resolution that you want. By default, Seedance adds a dynamic camera movement. Enable this fixed lens to lock the camera in place for stable and static shots. If you want audio included in your video, then click here to enable it. Then click on Generate when you are done and wait a few seconds for the results. Now let's look at what we have. You can see how good the quality still looks, even though I selected 720p, and everything else looks very realistic. Now let's try one last example of a fighting scene. I will change the previous image and prompt I used for the first video, leave all other settings exactly as they are, then hit Generate and wait for the result. Now we have the result here, so let's take a look. You can see how realistic and impressive the result looks, even from Seedance 1.5 Pro, so you can imagine how 2.0 could perform. Let's talk about Seedance 2.0, upcoming next-generation AI video model. If you want to join the waitlist and get notified as soon as it is released, enter your email here and click on Notify Me to receive a notification once Seedance 2.0 is out. You will then see a Success pop-up message. Now, let's talk about some of the key features of Seedance 2.0. First, we have one-click video recreation. This lets you turn a single sentence into a complete video. You can recreate trending clips or reimagine iconic scenes, and the AI understands the style, structure, and intention, so you can skip hours of manual editing. Next is unified multi-input control. You can provide up to 12 assets at once, including images, videos, audio clips, and text. Seedance 2.0 automatically understands the role of each input and keeps your characters consistent even when multiple elements are combined. We also have frame-level precision. Every character, object, and composition detail stays consistent throughout the entire video. You can control fonts, scene transitions, and timing down to individual frames for a more polished and professional result. Another feature of Seedance 2.0 is multi-camera storytelling, which allows sequences to flow naturally between scenes while maintaining continuity in lighting and character behavior.
The last feature is high-impact motion scenes. This creates intense action and fight sequences with realistic body movement, collision effects, and fast camera tracking. Even complex multi-character interactions remain smooth and physically believable. One last thing, in case you did not join the waitlist, you can click here and it will take you back to the top to enter your email and click Join Now if you want to join.
Alright, that's everything you need to know about Seedance 2.0 and what it could bring to creators once it launches. From the features we've seen so far, this looks like a major step forward for AI video workflows, especially for anyone who wants more control and faster production. I'd like to hear your thoughts. Are you excited for Seedance 2.0, or are you waiting to see real results first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, because I'll be testing Seedance 2.0 the moment it releases and showing you real creator workflows, tips, and results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.